So it turns out Kauai in February isn't always the tranquil paradise you'd expect it to be. For the first few nights of our trip, we were staying on the north side of the island in Hanalei, and when we arrived, the wind was over 100 kilometers an hour, swells off the coast were over 40 feet high, power was cutting in and out. The next morning at breakfast, it was so windy that one of the buffet tables holding juice blew over and almost flew into us, so we almost got killed by a buffet table. Fortunately, after the adventure of the first 24 hours, the weather improved and we were able to get on with a fantastic trip on the island of Kauai. Next stop was Poipu on the south coast of the island. We got a condo at a resort near the beach. It was this massive penthouse that took up the whole top floor of the building. Had a huge patio and outside there was an awesome hot tub, so it was ballin'. The most anticipated part of our trip was a helicopter tour of the island. Much of Kauai is inaccessible by road, so we were excited to see some vast landscapes with no civilization in sight. As we were driving to the airport, we had the clearest weather yet. It was mostly blue skies and there was very little wind. It was shaping up to be a perfect day for a flight over the island. The tour company we flew with also takes you to the waterfall where they filmed the helicopter approach to Jurassic Park. As huge fans of the movie, we loved the experience of seeing the location where they filmed such an iconic scene. The helicopter tour was insane. One of the coolest things I've ever done, for sure.
Impressions of the heli tour, Alex?
Amazing.
Sam?
Amazing.
Awesome.